Hey guys, got some footage from the Heartland Fiero show last year I never put out there. It was a pretty small show this year, but a lot of solid cars showed up. I finally got around to editing it, so enjoy the show. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll answer any questions in the comments. Yeah, I ended up dynoing at 345 wheel horse right now, and oh yeah. Pictures online or what? What was that? I might have that swap saved, I don't know. Kind of lost track of it all in my head because I've seen so much content now. I think I know who owns this car here. That is a clean swap there.
I've always been afraid to call this Survivor paint because I didn't have any records, and the guy I bought it from didn't. There's a long story, but he wasn't he didn't own it for all those years. Middleman. But he's
Pretty car. Gosh. Very nice.
I burned it off oh my God.
Yeah.
so.
You said it was a 3.9, so you're not going to turbo it?
No, I am.
Oh, you are?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So
Cool.
I just put it all back together. It probably has 50 miles on it since I went through the engine again. When I built it, we spaced out all the rings. Got all the rings for the turbo. It's ready to go. Internally, it's all stock, but we've built it for some boost. So
Yeah. You can wipe that blue chalky thing off of it. I think it's protected, but it didn't do a whole lot for me. This is this is original paint. I think they said 800 miles on it. Very nice looking car. Wow. Even has the factory plastic and stickers on it. Thanks to Pat Moody and T Meister for joining the channel membership. If you'd like to join for some extra perks and a shout out like this, press the join button below the video.